Hello everybody, welcome to this new moving vlog where I'm moving out of my comfort space, my first 1 RK. In the process of removing all the wall posters that I have going on right now, and it's so nostalgic. I've spent such a good time here, and just seeing the whole place so naked and empty just breaks my heart. But I'm just trying to be positive and excited about the new life.
Guys, so today I bought these fruits. I have never seen them or eaten them. Apparently I Google lensed them and they are called as watery rose apple, filled with vitamin C found in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So let's taste test them. It's like pears.
After a light food break with my friend, I finally moved out the last bits of my stuff to the new place and we were super exhausted after that. But a huge shout out to my friends for helping me out because I cannot imagine doing it all by myself.
First day scenes, super tiring. We'll come back tomorrow.
The next morning after tea, I undertook a mission to feed myself. Let me tell you, I didn't know how to cook till this time, but I made it a point to learn a few easy recipes from my mom when I went back home before this move.
So this is the first meal that I've cooked in this house, completely unsupervised. Not gonna lie, it does not exactly taste how my mom makes it, but we're gonna get there soon.
And after that average lunch, my friends and I were off to Ikea. I really didn't need anything, but I just went there to look around since I haven't been to Ikea before. But the amount of inspo I got by seeing their setups made me cry in broke girl CTC. Everything was so aesthetic, so minimal with pops of colors and punk. Precisely my vibe. I especially loved the lamp and light section because I'm a sucker for a good, cozy, ambient light situation. And yeah, honestly, the entire store made me manifest and motivated in a weird way to work hard and hopefully one day be able to afford all of it.
I don't know why, but whenever I see these things, my mind automatically goes into the zone of what if an earthquake was to happen and I get squished under these things.
And obviously, since we were there, we had to have something from their food court, but we weren't that hungry, so we resorted to desserts, which were kind of really okay, not that good.
Bye.
Now, by this time, you might as well be aware that plants are symbolic of strong sentimental memories for me. So to enter this new phase, new home and new era, I also got some varied varieties of plants. Just got up and I thought that I'll make some tea, and while it's getting ready, I'll show you what I got from Ikea. Full disclosure, we just went there for fun and didn't need anything specifically, but as we entered, we got trapped and we got all of these things. So yesterday I broke my cup, but I didn't intend on getting a new one because I already had another one, but this one just was too cute to not get. Then I got these bowls because I'm always having people over at my place, so I thought it's about time. Hangers, because a girl can never have enough clothes or hangers, and yeah, they were pretty cheap as well. So I just wanted to show you what all we got. This one is a plant that also used to be in my college, so I named it Christy. These are two rubber plants. This is the old one. This is my first Bangalore baby, Levi. These two are called Anthurium. These also were in my college. They are super beautiful. One is in pink, one is in red. They can be kept indoors as well as outside. Doesn't matter. They're very versatile and they're also called painter's palette. This one is my good old Chandni ka podha. It has a little house to itself because it looks lonely, that's why. The plant that I got yesterday, super bushy and flowers, pink, colorful, love it. I'm still contemplating what to name it. Yeah, so this one I got when I went to Panchpalli Dam. This one is called Panchu. There was one another plant that I got with it. It was called Palli, but she died. So that's my mini garden in front of my front door. Later, I went out with my friends to celebrate all of our new jobs and had some fun little moments at Kaushik's house party. What can I say? You never know what crazy turn these parties can take towards the end of the night. And yeah, I hope you guys like this moving vlog. Let me know if you would like to see a room tour or house tour as well. Till next time, like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.